This video is called How to Install the ADV Kit. First thing you want to do is unscrew your device. You'll turn counterclockwise and then you'll remove the glass piece. The next step is to take off the top O-ring. The ones we included in the package are a little bit larger in diameter. So once you've installed those black O-rings on the top, you can go ahead and put the ADV kit on. You'll start with the top. This adapter has a protruding lip on the side that goes against the top. So you'll fit that protruding lip over the O-ring that you replaced. The big L-shaped ADV gaskets, they come pre-installed on these. So if you get some in the package, which you will, just use them as spares. Wait until one gets old and you decide to replace it. The bottom adapter will fit against the L-shaped O-ring that is on the bottom of the Falcon King tank. You do not have to replace this. We send extra in our packages. You'll see that the bottom adapter has an indented groove cut into it. This part will fit over the base of the Falcon tank. Once you have the top adapter and the bottom adapter installed on both ends of the tank, you can put the glass in the middle. Usually before I start turning clockwise, I will turn a little bit counterclockwise until I feel the threading come into place. And then you'll start turning clockwise to tighten the device fully. And my name's Travis with inkedaddy.com. Thanks for checking out our website. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.